earlier. This one, pinedini sauce. It's good, guys. Combination. So, sawa natin sa ating barbecue. And then I'm gonna put some rice. So, we still have one piece of chicken that my husband is cooking right now. Hello, guys. Welcome back. So, today we are cooking barbecue chicken for dinner. We have barbecue chicken here. Chicken and thigh, leg and thigh. Thigh and leg. Yeah, so we have 4 pieces of chicken. Right, guys, so here we have one more to put in here. This is a big piece of chicken. It's big thighs. So, nagluto tayo ngayon guys sa our small patio here in our apartments. See, I have plants here. I have hot chili. I have tomatoes. I have more chili here. I have a bell pepper here and a small garden. My plants, and I have more tomato here, guys, and we already harvest a lot of cherry tomato here in our small patio here. This is more tomatoes here, cherry tomatoes. Yeah, this plant here is getting big. This is expensive plants. Cactus. See, we have a lot of plants here. Cactus, hot chili, and super spicy too, guys. Yeah. So it's gonna be a while this one to cook because it's a big piece of meat. Yan, guys. Alright, guys. So balikan ko kayo mamaya after na maluto itong chicken natin. Thanks for watching. Check natin yung chicken natin. It is so hot. Yan, guys. Ay, napit ko na yung side niya. Ngayon, itipnan ulit natin yung side. Yan, guys. Malaki itong, this is a big piece. Yes, guys. So, meron pa akong isa na lulutuin. Hindi magkasya dito. So, first, malit na yung grill natin. Using gas kasi bawal ang charcoal dito. Kasi masyadong very smoky if you use charcoal. So, we use gas. Alright, so let's cover it. So, habang tayo nagba-barbecue, magdidilig tayo ng halaman kasi sobrang init na yun. Super dry yung mga halaman natin. Yung mga cactus ko, need water. They're dry. Tignan mo guys yung binili namin pineapple. Lumalaki na siya. Binili namin ito sa store and then I planted and ito na siya. Ayun, magkaroon na kami ng fresh pineapple here. Ayun, malaki na siya, guys. In our small garden. Ayan siya, guys. Happy na yung plants natin. Nakainom na sila ng tubig. Kasi super dry na yan. Super init. Ala, tingnan yung barbecue natin. Nasusunod na. Check natin, guys. Super smoky. Let's close the door. Ayan siya, guys. Fire. Oh. Medyo mataga-taga pa maluto kasi chicken is big. Looks good, guys. Smells good already. Simpleng lang to. Ingredients lagay ko dito. Ayan. Put some lemon juice. black pepper, salt, paprika, cayenne, ano pa, garlic powder, onion powder, lahat na nilagay dito. Yan siya guys. Alright guys, balikan ko kayo pagluto ng ating chicken. Diyan lang kayo. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Jasmine Mary channel. Alright guys, see you around. Hi guys, so today gawa tayo ng pinadini sauce. Ito ay recipe galing ng Guam. Ano ba yan? May nag-ano yata sa akin pangkit. Ayan guys, ayan natin siya guys. So masarap ito na sauce, pinadini sauce, Guam style, chamorro. And then, may dalawa tayo itong sili, hot sili na kinuha natin sa ating garden. Again, kunting white onions, dito lagay natin. Excuse me guys. Oh! May nag-mission yata sa akin. Anyways, so gayahan nyo to guys yung sauce ng pinadini sauce. Half a cup of distilled vinegar or any vinegar, and 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1/8 cup of white onions, and 2 chili peppers. Yan so guys. Ayan, so maglagay tayo gamit ako ng light soy sauce, at itong gagamitin natin kasi wala akong distilled vinegar. Ito na gagamitin natin guys. Ayan. Are you on? Alright guys, maglagay tayo ng vinegar. Say the 1/2 cup. Yan, tansyahin nyo na lang. And 1/4 of soy sauce. I use light soy sauce, so it's not too salty. 1/4 cup. Yan. And that's it. That's your pinadini sauce. Chamorro's pinadini sauce for your chicken. Hi guys, so our chicken is done. Don't worry guys, it's just the skin was burned, but it's good like that. I like it burned, so all the fats get burned, you know, but this one is good. I like mine a little bit crunchy, most especially the chicken. I don't like it the skin of the chicken. I don't like when it's still you know, not burned, but I like it burned like this. And then we have the sauce that we make earlier. This one, that pinadini sauce. It's good guys. Combination. So, sawa natin sa ating barbecue. And then I'm gonna put some rice. So, we still have one piece of chicken that my husband is cooking right now. Ayan. But the 3 pieces this I cooked earlier and it's done. Hindi kasi nagkasya sa grill natin yung apat na piraso. Try natin kung masarap. Oh wow, it's good. Sausa natin sa ating pinadini. Sarap guys. Sarap yung sasawan sa chicken natin guys. Ayan. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Sana nagustuhan nyo ang ating vlog for today. And I'm gonna cook some rice and I'm gonna eat dinner. One more bites. Try nyo to guys yung pinadini sauce, masarap. Spicy. Kinadayan ko lang isang sili. So bali, 3 pieces of hot chili here. I have the green one from the garden and the red one. Masarap guys. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share the video. And see you guys next time. Bye! Luto muna ako ng kanin. Alright guys, luto tayo ng rice. I have 3/4 cup of rice here. Kunti lang. Kasi ako lang naman kakain. Asawa ko ayaw kumain ng kanin. Well, sometimes lang. Kunti. Siguro mga 2 tablespoon of rice kinakain niya. I don't eat rice a lot. Maybe 2 or 3 times a month lang ako kumakain ng kanin. Kasi if you eat rice every day, masyadong mataas ang carbohydrates and makes you fat. Ayan. And then makapag ano rin, diabetic. Too much eating rice. So watch out guys, don't eat too much rice. Maybe 3/4 of cup lang isasaingin you know, cook the rice with 3/4 cup of rice. And that's it, it's not much. Sometimes I can even finish it. So let's wash our rice until the water is clear. Ayan. So our dinner tonight guys is barbecue chicken with rice. Filipino food. So, kasi may rice tayo. Ayan guys. Simple dinner lang tonight. I was thinking mag-i-steam ako ng broccoli. But tinamad na ako. I feel lazy kasi maraming dishes na hugasan. Kasi kami ng dalawa lang naman ang hobby ko. You know, just the two of us. So, I don't wanna cook a lot. Maglinis ka ng maraming hugasan. Alright guys. So, 3/4 cup. Over 3/4 kabili half lang. Kunti lang yung sasayin natin. Hanggang dyan lang siya guys. Yung iba pa nga, ginaganon. Oh, province style. I used to do that. But I'm still doing it. Growing up, yep, I used to do that. Using my hand to measure the rice. That's how we cook rice. So I'm just gonna wipe the rice cooker. So guys, I'm just holding the camera. I'm holding the camera while I'm doing cooking rice guys. Wiping the puwet of the rice cooker para hindi siya masunog. Hindi siya masira agad yung rice cooker natin. Alright, so madali lang siya. Very easy, quick. And then let's turn it on hanggang maluto ang ating rice. Done. Alright guys, thanks again for watching. I say this next time. Bye! Check natin ang asawa ko. Kasi he's cooking the chicken. Hey love, how you doing? Oh, one more chicken guys. And after that, we're gonna eat dinner. Alright, thank you for watching. Say bye. Adios.
Adios.
Adios amigos.